stay here at our cousin's house. And it's our last day here. We've been here for
I want blueberry.
2 months.
A blue.
Yeah.
I want the blue one. Blue and purple.
2 months at
Yes.
our cousin's house.
The rainbow thing.
And what will you say
Rainbow
when you
thing.
leave?
Not the rainbow thing.
What will you say
Rainbow thing.
when you leave?
This?
Chloe.
The rainbow.
Okay, she's still playing Grow Garden. Look. Show them your game. Show them what they're playing. Chloe. Chloe. Show them. Show them.
Here's the payment.
Wait, oh, that's what are they playing right now. As you can see.
No.
Grow Garden. If you don't,
Bye.
if you know that game,
My store.
please add me. Add me in Grow Garden.
Wait, I don't know which one.
It's
Wait, I
right
need
here.
to. Should I buy cosmetic?
Yeah.
Like yours?
And yeah, it's our last day here. Gonna miss this also.
Should I buy this
Gonna
one?
miss my cousins. Gonna come to Jadon today. And we're just waiting
I
for
bought it.
my dad to come because he
I don't know where to put it. Where should I put it?
Because there's two in one house.
Should I put it here?
In one house because there's a long house
Why
and
can't
then
I put it?
I was getting renovated.
Yeah.
So that's why we lived here for 2 months. Wait, actually almost 3 months.
Wait, I need to find a different one.
We went here May. What? Okay. Yeah. See you guys later.
Where are you, Chloe?
Oh guys. They're also actually going somewhere. Or just I don't know. Are you excited to go? Are you gonna miss them? I don't know.
No?
I don't know. I wish our house get finished already, right? Actually at August. Yes. August are gonna finish our house. Maybe August something. Forgot it. I'm not sure. I will show you guys the view later, so bye for sure. So we're here at
McDonald's!
So guys, he's entering na in McDonald's. So yan, hindi pa niya alam kung saan tayo papasok. Doon sa kabilang side papasok. Yan.
McDonald's.
So guys, you guys kind of like double think because I said pull, and he pushed it. And the glass was too heavy as well, guys. So there you go. We're going inside now. So we're inside the McDonald's, right? Oh my
Yeah, and then
we're just showing the toys. Yeah, because I wanted to buy a toy, but he has too many Pokemon cards. Nah, so we didn't buy it. So let's go.
There you go, guys.
There you go, mommy.
We're ordering.
My mother's ordering.
Here.
Sion is
Ordering,
there
guys.
with this egg shape. So let's go.
Bring your food, guys.
And now Sion gets
What
the
you
food.
bring?
He's serving it right now to our table.
siya.
Yummy, delicious McDo food, guys. McDo's one of their favorite fast food restaurants.
And shout out to McDonald's. They have the new Twister fries.
Yes, it's finally back. So there you go.
We're just taking a picture.
Yes, guys. We're taking a picture of ourselves with the Twister fries. Medyo magulo yung video dyan dahil.
Yes.
Yeah, there you go. Guys, sorry about that sound. So guys, mas on the way na kami. Ang daldal namin dyan. Guys, nagpapagupit na si Sion ng hair. Kapakan pa ni Kuya Barbero ang kanyang saw. Naghihintay lang ako dyan. Kasi taga-tagal niyong pagupit. So yan.
Gupitan ko lang yung mga sides ng buhok ko kasi pinapahaba ko ng
Yes. Habang papagupit siya dyan si ate girl. Ayan, video lang siya. And pamuni-muni lang ako dyan. So yan na guys, ginugupitan na siya. Ayan.
Sabi, bumili rin kami ng perfume.
Yes guys. Ayan, si daddy rin po guys ay nagpagupit din. So, syempre
Shout
guys.
out for my dad.
Yes, syempre yung papagupit si daddy. Syempre nandun na kami. Kapagupit silang dalawa like father and son din. Yeah. Private backers. Guys, kung ano man yan. So, yan guys. At aking mother nag-i-invite na nakatingin sa kanya. So, husband. So, yan si Sayan guys, yan ang final haircut niya. Aba. Pag-abot siya dahil malapit ng first day of school namin, di ba? Yows! So, yan. Yan siya. Medyo shy type pa siya doon kasi nahiya ako sa video para sa kanya. Ano mo? So, yeah. So, yan guys. Tapos na siya magpag-opel. Nasa bahay na kami. Sino pinaparenovate namin bahay guys. To our house. Ang ating labas. So, wala pang gawa namin. Hi! Where are we going? Yan si Sai. Where are we going? Sai. Huh? Where are we going? Yes,
To our
guys.
house.
So,
To our
that's the
house.
house of us.
Yes.
Yan na si Father. Nagbukas ng gate. So yan na guys.
So, let's
Pasok tayo
enter.
si ating pinaparenovate na bahay. So yan na. Quadrabel at si
Guys.
Science.
Alam, ganda na.
Doon pala agad siya
Ganda
doon.
na.
Iniwan na kami lahat.
Quadrabel.
Yun na nanginginig ko. At si Modrabel ay pumasok na rin. So,
Daming
wow, si
So,
Modrabel
guys,
sa loob.
ito ang entrance
Ito
ng
na si
aming
Zion
house.
and yan daw ang magiging pinto namin. Sinasabi namin
Yes.
dyan.
Ay, wow.
So, yan.
Mami, tingnan mo ceiling tiles
Sana
na yan.
dyan sa loob. Halos 2 months na rin guys nagagawa yan. Bahay na yan. Yan.
Oh my gosh.
Call that, it's giving. It's giving, yeah. Medyo, yes. So, and si grandma, yan. Yan ang magiging window. Yes, guys. So, guys, pinapayos namin for renovate for 2 months. So, dati nakatira na kami dyan. Lumipat na kami sa cousin. And then ngayon may school na
Don't touch
kami.
the
Parating yung school
wires.
namin. So, lipat kami sa aming grandma. So, yun. Panoorin nyo ng
Meron na pala bintana. Ito ba yung bintana?
lahat, guys.
Ganyan kalaki?
So, 2 months na ang renovation and yan na ang flowing niya. It's very cutesy, demure, and everything, y'all.
Guys. Oh, ay meron ng counter.
Sining ko kitchen. Yes, sa kitchen, guys. So, yan, si Sayan ay iniwan na kami dyan sa tanong na yan yata. Nakakit na siya niyan. So,
Guys, ito ang aming kitchen and doon. Lovely. Can see
so
Armin.
yes, guys.
Tapos
So,
na.
itong bathroom namin and it's a beautiful bathroom.
Even though it's small, it's still beautiful.
Yes.
Diba?
So, yeah. Just, I hope you like it. Yan,
And guys, guess down at the comments down below when is it gonna finish.
yes, guess nyo guys. The flowing now.
My umbrella's turned
Ano ba?
Yes, guys.
Date, month, tapos yan.
Guys, you want?
Comment down below. Ang winner ay masya-shout out natin sa next video. Yes, ang winner. Bakit kami guys?
Wow. Until na wait lang. Kasi parang madulas.
Oh, makiat dyan.
Alam mo naman, tulog ka na.
Madudulas siya.
Kaya pinost ko ang video na
Uy,
yan.
saka na.
So, yan ang ating
Ay, ito.
CR. Ang upstairs CR.
Ang ganda na ng CR.
Sabogs.
Yo.
It's very demure. So, ayan ang ating master bedroom. Ang kwarto ni Mudra Bells at ni Father Bells. So,
Oh my gosh. Gulat. Ay, lang, ganda.
Ang aking closet ng Mudra Bell. So,
Yan ang balcony.
Touch
yes.
anything.
Sign bell.
So, kasi gagawin ko po yung gym. So you don't
Yes.
know. And dancing din ni ate.
Kaya ito yung nilalamit ng bahay.
Diyan ka naman laundry si mommy.
Aming balcony.
Ayan kami guys. May exam na kami dyan kasi ang layo ng balcony namin. Grabe.
Yan.
Hi!
How's our house?
Good. Parents.
It's good.
Saya si Mudra Bell. At namin siya kung house it, sabi niya.
Ito guys, is aming balcony. Rest house.
Guys.
So, ito guys yung laundry area.
And si
This is
Sayan
my
din.
gym. And dito ang aming gym or
Sabi
dance.
niya, eto, gym ko yan.
Kaya hindi ba nakatapos ako mag-gym?
Inaangkin niya
yung
ang buong pag-teritoryo.
Kaya,
Charot.
is for mom.
Charot. So, joke.
Here, there.
From the upstairs.
Dito ang laundry area. Dito naman ang
Yan,
gym
mga
or tambay area. Kasi nalagyan dito
Yan ako,
ng
nag-explain ako
table.
dyan kasi magiging laundry ni
Table.
Mami ang loob na yan.
Table
So,
and chairs,
tas
guys.
ito namang labas na yan.
Did you
Ito
like it?
magiging,
I like it
rest
so
lang namin
much.
ni Dad. Mommy,
Stay tuned
Daddy.
for the
Yes.
Family of 4.
Family of, you enjoy this video. Please subscribe and like.
And thank you for watching this video, guys.
Enjoy. Bye.
Please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you enjoy.
Bye, guys.
Bye.